the Iranian people have been suffering bitterly from brutal internal repression and external violence, as throughout the region, the Kurdish population has been among the most seriously affected. Recently, internal repression by the regime has intensified. Popular opposition has been subdued by intimidation. The dam finally burst with the arrests of Mahsa Amini by the morality police and her subsequent killing under police custody. One crime too many. Protesters in the Kurdish region were attacked by the police, with many killed and wounded. It's long past time for the people of Iran to enjoy the freedom and justice that they richly deserve.